Hello and welcome to Crafting with You, where I bring you a wide range of crafting tutorials and ideas. Today I'm going to show you how to make these graveyard cupcakes just in time for Halloween. If you need something to take to the next Halloween party, this is the way to go, so let's get started. To make the tombstone, we're going to use Marshmallow cookies. There are a ton of different flavors, so get whichever one you like. Once you get one out, we're going to cut off the bottom quarter. Make sure you use a serrated knife because that gives you the cleanest cut. So get your cookie, measure out the top 3/4, and then go ahead using your knife, give it a cut. Make sure you don't put too much pressure or you'll make the whole cookie crumble. Next, get some melted chocolate and put it in a piping bag. I'm just using a little parchment bag I made myself and cut a little bit of the tip off. Now you're going to use this to write RIP right onto the front of the cookie. I suggest you practice either on a plate or a piece of parchment paper just to make sure you're familiar with writing with this before you actually get it onto your cookie. You can also write the year. I wrote 2023 on here, or you could write whatever you feel like. If you like to add some color to your tombstone, you can totally do that. I just added little color dots onto this one. And now we're ready to assemble. We have our tombstones all completed, and then we have our cupcakes. You can do any flavor you like. I did pumpkin, but you can also do a variety of different flavors. I used Halloween themed cupcake liners, which is always a nice touch. Then you're going to need some frosting. It can be store-bought. I just got this from my local market, but you can make your own buttercream if you have the time, but I suggest you use a darker color. So let's start frosting the top of our cupcakes. Just make sure that you're getting it on the entire surface of the top. This next step is optional, but it's great if you have the time to do this. Get some Oreo cookies, take out the cream filling, crush up all the cookies so it looks like this. Then you're going to take your cupcake and then dip it inside. And what this does is it mimics the look of dirt or soil on top of your cupcake. If you find that you missed any spots, go ahead and just fill it in. Now it's time to insert the tombstone. It's going to be placed right in the middle of the cupcake, but instead of just forcing the tombstone in, we're going to take something like a butter knife and make a little slot in there so it makes everything easier. So go ahead and insert it, give it a little jiggle to make some room, take your tombstone and fit it right in. And there you go. Doesn't this look nice? As a finishing touch, I got some Halloween ribbon and attached it to some toothpicks. And then just go ahead and place one right in each cupcake. And there you go, your graveyard cupcake is now complete. Here's the finished look. Such a cute idea for your next Halloween event. If you're interested in additional Halloween ideas, I have several videos on my channel. I'll include the link in the description box. For example, you can watch a tutorial on how to make these super easy candy corn marshmallow pops. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Crafting with You.